आपुलकीने ऐकावे अशी माझी नम्र विनंती आहे. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869. He was born on 8 Porbandar. His full name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Completed his primary education in India. Later he went to England for higher education. There he became a lawyer. Then he came back to India. Decided to fight against British rulers. He gave people new weapon of satyagraha and many good things. He made us free from the British rule. Made us free from the British